welcome to another Digital Marketer Marketing Challenge. This is a throwdown competition where we take two smart marketers and put them head to head for a really dumb challenge. Today's challenge is going to be a photoshopping challenge. Let's meet our contestants. The first is Taylor Nelson, our lead graphic designer at Digital Marketer. Taylor, what's your favorite karaoke song?
My Humps by Black Eyed Peas.
All right. This guy knows how to party. And what is your official title? Accounts manager?
Manager of account management.
What? Manager of account management?
Just two.
And in this corner, we have Michael Meola, our manager of partner success. How much experience do you have photoshopping for money professionally?
Professionally, 0.
But I would argue that you do it on company time, so therefore you are getting paid to do it.
3 years.
Two professional graphic designers, people. In this challenge, you'll be creating a Facebook ad for the 2020 Central Texas Regional Air Guitar Championship. It exists, it's real, and you'll be making a Facebook ad for it. It must include these elements. Copy, ready to be a rock star, must appear in the ad. You must have a photo of someone air guitaring or a drawn image, however you want to implement that. You must include fire somewhere in it and stars somewhere in it. We really want to make this pop. We've got 10 minutes on the clock. On your mark, get set, Photoshop.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Photoshop, Photoshop.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Photoshop, Photoshop.
Fire, stars, air guitar.
Stars, air guitar.
Jeez.
Okay, they're starting with looking up images of people playing air guitar. I think they're just getting some inspiration, seeing how awesome and truly gnarly this competition is.
I want this to be a surprise. To be quite honest, you're going to be blown away.
Oh, well, yeah, I don't even want to mention what he's putting in there now because it's so
Incredible.
incredible. It's beyond creative.
I actually don't use Photoshop. So I like to go with preview because I don't want to crush the competition so easily. So I like to start myself at a disadvantage.
Oh, now this is an interesting method of getting a star element into his Facebook ad. Find it really on theme.
Thanks.
Words. Now that's an interesting choice of a star element. Very friendly.
Warm and inviting.
Warm and inviting. You know, when you are putting out a Facebook ad with these days and everyone's against everyone else and there's so much political opposition, you really want a warm and welcoming environment in your Facebook ad. So I think that's what he's kind of going for here. Now, what is this technique?
This is Smart Lasso.
Okay. 6.5 minutes left. Using the Smart Lasso once again, it seems to be a favorite technique.
This is actually the regular lasso, so I can pinpoint what I'm capturing here.
It seems to require a steady hand. He's really a surgeon doing his work. And stop. Hands off the keyboard, because we're going to throw a twist in.
Wait a second.
Okay, stop.
Lasso's down.
We're going to throw in a twist. Grenade. Your surprise twist is you must include a specific image into this ad. Open to reveal. From Asia, new legend.
Nice.
All right, and time will restart in 5, 4, whenever Doug has his go. And Taylor's already doing some masterful things, flipping him around, tilting him up. You know, it almost looks like the horse is the guitar from what I'm seeing.
Wow.
And we've got the Smart Lasso.
Smart Lasso.
Once again.
Back at it.
Now, what I love about this is not only are there elements of Texas, but it almost has like a California vibe to it, which is great because the 2020 Central Regional Texas Air Guitar Championship is actually located in Pasadena, California. So Michael has some surfing vibes on his. Now, Taylor has some of the copy. It's not fully on yet, so I hope he's able to get all 6 words onto his Facebook ad by the end of time, which is 3 minutes left. These long tail keywords that someone is ranking for because of this Google search. Fire cowboy fat.
I definitely meant to put hat.
Someone is going to be ranking and they'll be excited about it. Oh, hat.
No, it definitely said fat on accident.
It definitely
before.
did say fat. You got a lot of cowboys with beans. Like that's what came up. The things these guys are able to do, folks, I can't even imagine where they learned this stuff. We've got more cartoon elements in Michael's, more smart lasso. 1 minute left. There's just so much going on that the eye doesn't know where to look. And that's really what you want. When you look at a heat map of a Facebook ad, you just want it to be the entire thing. And we're finally getting the copy in, last 40 seconds here. Getting some copy. What font is that?
Default.
Default.
I like to go with the default one. I don't actually know how to change it.
All right, and we're getting some even spacing here, making sure that everything's at the sides it should be, evenly spaced out. We're just seeing how we feel about the fire. Not so sure about the blue fire anymore. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. All right, hands away. Let's take a look. We'll start with Taylor. And on Taylor's, we've got an air guitar dude riding a horse, the horse that was required for this. Blue flames underneath him. He's on a stage. You see the state of Texas, maybe Odessa, I'm not sure, highlighted, pinpointed with a star, and in Raven Song font, ready to be a rock star. He did add 2 question marks and an exclamation point, which I'll give him extra credit for. This is a gorgeous photo, and he really did make it look like the dude is riding a horse. I'll let y'all look. Your competition.
Oh, I got this.
Let's give Taylor a round of applause. And Michael's. We've got a dude surfing on a steer. This really lets us know where we're at. We are in Texas, definitely in some kind of central region. We've got 2 cartoon stars, happy to be there, watching over him. He's air guitaring. The horse, required horse, is dancing on clouds, slightly up in the air, and there is just a cowboy on fire with like a fourth of a horse head still in the photo. Smart lasso didn't really work out for him in this case. And in, I think, Papyrus, it says, "Are you
Bold
ready
choice.
to rock?" Very bold choice. Let's give Michael a round of applause. I'd love to see what y'all can come up with for this Photoshop challenge. Let us know what you would like to see added into a Facebook ad for the 2020 Central Texas Regional Air Guitar Championships, located in Pasadena, California, unless our research is very wrong. Yeah, comment below what kind of weird stuff you'd put on a Facebook ad for this. If you'd click on one of these Facebook ads, and they're so good I can't choose, let us know who you think won this competition. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and then go back because we've got a lot already filmed. We did one for a long Furby sales page. We have some headlines for that long Furby, and we wrote emails about sugar-free gummy bears that have a laxative effect. Just living our best lives here at Digital Marketer. We'd love to see what you guys can come up with. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.